Hey everybody, excuse the mess. Did a impromptu gutting on the last video, which, if I upload them in order, is a American S1100, but I might not upload these in order because I'm not a professional at this. I'm just doing this for fun. So anyway, we are going to pick this here Master 140 that isn't a Maraca, as you can see. Same dealio as every LOTO lock that we've come to know and love. 6 pins, 5 serrated, and 5 spools, and a serrated pin in slot number 5. To do this, I'm going to use a flat hook, and I want a pretty hefty top of keyway wrench. I don't remember whether this is one that takes a 40 or a 50. Stand by, folks. Like I said, not a professional. So it doesn't look like our 50 fits super well, so we're going to get our 40 in there. And so we're going to reach back in here and with like super gentle pressure, because that's one thing that I learned the hard way doing this, is because there's no core spring, no did I open this already? Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Because there's no core spring and there's no shackle spring, you need like the world's softest tension on this lock in order to pick it appropriately. All right, we got a false set on 3, 4, a little counter rotation. I'm taking these super gingerly because there isn't a lot of tension back, unlike the S1100 that I did on the previous video, which does have a core spring. It's did I just turn this to all neutrals? I might have. Poop. Okay, overset. Let's start over. We're gonna go back to the back because that's a better way to do this, I think. Number 6. Here, a little click. Number 5. Should be several little clicks. There we go. Got a deep false already, just from that one. And now we just go to one of my favorite locales I affectionately call Spool City. So there goes 4. Now we come back to 3. 3's kind of springy. Come back to 2. Where are you, 3? There you are. What just happened? Something just happened. There we go, got our false back. Back out to 1. Little counter. Do we slip off 1? No. Back to 6. I'm just gingerly feeling that counter rotation while I'm doing this. And we have our open. Gotta be super careful with this, because if we turn this too much, she becomes a Maraca, and we don't want to join the rattle club like so many of our fallen friends. So we're just going to take that and close it. And thanks, friends. We'll catch you in the next one.